It's like a dough belly, isn't it? Just call him Pillsbury.
Certainly couldn't do it to you.
Sometimes she does all that, but then she just gets off.
I just had a thought. What did you do with your suit this morning? What did you do with your suit this morning?
I thought you put it somewhere.
No.
Eh?
No.
What you find is...
There she goes. Last I saw it was on the
I put it on the chair.
That's the last I saw it. Did you not take it out?
No, I didn't see it.
What are you going to wear?
It'll be in there because my shoes were put in the bag.
You want a cat now, don't you?
No, they hurt.
They hurt.